Welcome to Nithyavin பதிவுகள். In this video, we are going to learn about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers which are used for counting naturally are called natural numbers. Imagine you have many chocolates in your hand. I am asking you, how many chocolates do you have? What will you say? Tell me. How will you start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? Will you start with 0? No. So, the numbers which are used for counting are called natural numbers. Therefore, they are also called as counting numbers. Okay. The set of natural numbers. Set. Collection of well-defined objects. Here, the natural numbers are defined as counting numbers. Right? Which means the numbers which are greater than 0 only will be used for counting. Right? So, here the natural numbers have been well defined. So, it can be represented by the word set. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital letter N. N for natural numbers. Okay, very easy notation which denotes natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is defined as, see, it is denoted by N. It is defined as capital N is equal to this bracket is called set. How should you read this? Set. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. The numbers are going on indefinitely, infinitely. There is no finite number with which this set ends. There is no end. So, the set of natural numbers is infinite. See, the natural numbers are also called as positive integers. Why? The natural numbers in this set, all the numbers are greater than 0. And they are not fractions or decimals, they are complete numerals. So, they are called as positive integers. We know very well that any number which is greater than 0 is called positive, right? Positive number. So, natural numbers are also called as positive numbers or positive integers. See, natural numbers are countable. You can count how many numbers are there in the set of natural numbers. But you have to count forever. There is no end. Endlessly you have to count. You should keep on counting. But they are countable. The set of natural numbers denoted by or defined by capital N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is an infinite set. I told you, no, this set has no finite number of numerals. This set has infinitely many numbers. Therefore, this set is called as an infinite set. So, the set of natural numbers is an infinite set. See, natural numbers are countable and infinite. So, they are called as countably infinite. Natural numbers are countably infinite. What do you mean by countably infinite? See, it cannot be counted even if we kept on counting forever. You can count, count. You can keep on counting, but you cannot end with any number. If you end with 1 crore or 5 crores or 100 crores, by adding 1 to that number or even by adding 0.1 to that number, you will get the immediate successor, the next number, right? So we call it as countably infinite. Okay, we have discussed many things about natural numbers in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Nithya Win Padivugal for more maths videos. Stay in touch. Thank you.